Hey guys, Vortex Cubing here, and this is a collaboration video with Clumsy Cuber. So basically, I make a video about this, and she makes a video about this, and so you can see how she did, and then for this one, you can see how I did. So we're gonna be solving a Rubik's Cube with socks on her hands. So I got my Pikachu sock and my dog sock, so it's basically a sock with dogs that have shirts on, yeah, because I couldn't find the other Pikachu sock, so that sucks. Okay, so, and I put like this black paper, I got like this big black paper thing, so we can actually focus, and I can't, okay, and then it ripped, so that sucks, but hopefully it still focuses on stuff, and I can't help it because I got these socks on, so. Jeez, why is it so slippery? Okay, so, oh god, it's really hard. So, let's go for inspection. Jeez, okay, I got it. Okay, I got my cross. Okay, 3, 2, 1. God, this is so hard. Okay, this is harder than I thought. Okay, oh my golly gee. Okay, so. Oh jeez. Okay, I got my cross. Okay. Oh my golly gee. Oh yeah, dang it, I can't use a C-flop. Because to make it fair, I'm gonna do beginner's method. To make it fair, because she's still learning C-flop. And as I said in one of my videos, there's nothing wrong with that. Everyone had to learn C-flop, so don't say nobody's a noob. Okay. So I got my white edges. Jeez, why is this so hard? Oh my gosh. Okay. Ah, frick. Okay. It's so hard to grip the cube. Jeez. Okay. Frick. Oh my god, I should have worn like really long socks. Ah, frick. Okay. Yes. I'm moving the camera so much. Okay. Frickin' frick. Okay, I got the wet side on. Jeez, this is harder than I thought. Okay. Let's keep going. Jeez. Okay. So, okay, I got my cross. Oh, look, we already have an F12 pair. Already inserted, okay. Frick. Oh my frick, okay. Come on, we're just gonna do this as fast as you can. And, oh god. Okay, putting this pair in. Frick, no. Oh god. Okay, I got this one in. Jeez, this is harder than I thought. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Gosh. Why is this so hard? Frick. No. Dang it, why do I keep thinking I'm doing F2L and I keep ruining this? Okay. Let's fix this. And fix this. Jeez. Freaking frick. Okay. Jeez. One more, come on. Okay. Okay, I got it. Come on. No, I did the wrong thing. No, oh, so sad. I'm actually sad. Fucking fricks. Okay, so, come on, let's just do this as fast as you can. Okay, F2L done. Woo, okay. Okay, I almost forgot I'm doing beginner's method. almost forgot, but don't worry, I got it. Okay, so beginner's method, I think you look for how many cross, yeah, and then there's not all line. You gotta do this algorithm to get it go across, and it can't hold the cube. Okay, so why can't I hold this? It's so hard. Okay, you look for one that's in the right spot. Okay, hold it on your top right. Ah, this is so hard. I thought this was gonna be easier, but then I was like, oh my gosh, this is harder than I expected. Oh my gosh. Perfect time for my dog to be barking in the background. Yep. Perfect freaking time. Okay. Alright, we're almost done. Yes, okay. Only these two. It just needs to be flipped. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, come on. Come on. Fricks. Frick. Yes. Oh my gosh, that was harder than I expected. That took me like 5 minutes. Okay, we have a solved cube with socks on. I'm gonna take off these socks. Oh, that was way harder than I expected, but I did it. Solved the cube with socks on. Jeez, these socks are so slippery. I couldn't grip the cube. I never want to wear socks ever again. Okay, so anyway. Oh my gosh, my dog is barking in the background. Okay, anyway, subscribe to Clumsy Cuber. It was her idea, and then we decided to do a collab video. So, whenever she uploads hers, I'll upload mine. And yeah, so subscribe to me and Clumsy Cuber, because she's almost at 150 subs. Okay, so I'll get Clumsy Cuber to 150 subs. So forget about me. Don't subscribe to me. Subscribe to Clumsy Cuber and get her to 150 subscribers, okay? And she's also doing contests, so you should totally enter that. And Hypercuber is too, so yeah. And subscribe to me, Hypercuber, and Clumsy Cuber. Even though Hypercuber has nothing to do with this video, I just want to give a shout out to him and Clumsy Cuber. And you're probably not even watching anymore, but okay. Okay, there we go. Solved it with socks on. Goodbye.